Okay, so what we're going to do here is we're going to create the template that we're going to use for our labs. So let's go ahead and save this. So assuming that Wolfram is open, we can go to File and we're going to save as, and wherever you want to save it. For me, I'm going to save it in summer 2013 under labs. I've already written one. We're going to use that today. So I'm going to call this one Lab Template. And press save. So what we can do here is we can go to format, and it has all different types of styling. We can even call a style sheet. So you can have article, book, report, slideshow, utility, demo, and all kinds of other things. But for today, we're just going to use the style tab. Notice that right here you have different shortcut keys. So we're going to start with the title, and the title is going to be Lab 1 Measurement Quantities and Significant Figures. So in the future, all you have to do is go to this section, highlight it, and just replace it with the next lab. And we talked about the different parts of a scientific paper. So in order to write the next part, press the down arrow key, and you should get this. And let's go back to Format and Style. And I know the red color might throw some people off, but what we're going to use is here it is, my bad. We're going to call this a section. So the first section is going to be abstract. And then we're going to press down again, and we're going to create another section. And we can either go back to Format and Style, or we can just use the Alt 4 key. So I'm going to do the shortcut, so Alt 4, and this is going to be our introduction. Again, press down, and now it's the, again, Alt 4 key, and I can have the third section, which is materials and methods. Let's say I want to create a subsection, so I can press the down arrow key again, go to Format, Style, and let's have it a subsection, or Alt 5. And the first subsection is going to be the materials part. And then press down again, and Alt 5. And this is going to be the methods section. Underneath the methods section, I'm going to create a subsection. So I can go to Format, Style, or Alt 6. And let's use letters now. So we're going to have a theory part, and then press down again, and this is Alt. Okay, and look at the style. So subsection is Alt 6. So I can press Alt 6, again use letters, and this is going to be the procedure part. Press down again, and we're going to create another section, which was again Alt 4. And this is going to be the fourth part, and we're going to call this data and analysis. Press down again, and we're going to have two sections, and the first section is going to be our data portion. So we can go to Format, Style, Subsection, and call this Data. Press down again, and we can use the shortcut key, or again Style, and this is again Subsection, so Alt 5. And here we're going to put our analysis. Press down again, and we're going to have our next section, which is discussion and conclusion. So Alt 4, discussion, sorry, it's part 5, discussion and conclusion. Then we press down again, and Alt 4 for the last section, which are going to be references. And we can go to File, Save, and now we have our format that we can just go in and modify. Let's say you don't like the color scheme. Well, what we can do is we can just change the color scheme any which way we want. So we can go to Edit, select All, and Format, Text Color, and just make it all black. And again, File, Save, and here we have our format.